Hello, it's Dave Dunn here at FastCredit Pro, and in this video we're going to be talking about the dual pricing setting. So if we look at the listing of a product here, this is kind of the default listing. The user doesn't have any credits, so this might be a user that's visiting the site for the first time. They're not logged in, or it's a user that doesn't have a credit balance, right? And you can see here the price is showing in the dollar amount, the currency amount, and there's an option to buy credits or add to cart. If they add to cart, it's going to be added to cart in the currency amount, right? Now, if we update this user profile and just give this user a credit balance, and then we refresh this, right? You can see it's reverted to the credit amount, and then you can add it to cart in credits. That's the behavior of the plugin for the interaction between the zero credits and having credits, right? Now, there may be a situation where you want to display the price in both currency and credits. So we've added this option here called dual pricing. And if we just save those changes and refresh the listing, you can see now it's in both prices. Obviously, if they have a credit balance, they can add that to cart in credits. And if they have a zero credit balance, we'll just remove their credits. You can see there's now the option to buy the credits or add that to cart. And if they add it to cart, it's going to be in the currency amount. So this kind of makes sense to have dual pricing enabled when you want this kind of interaction between the buttons, because then you know that it's either available in a currency amount or a credit amount. It can also be useful on the products that are variable products. So for example, if we look at this variable product here, you can see here we've got the dual pricing option, and we know that we've got two variations. One is currency and one is credit, right? And depending on which variation we select, it's going to add that specific one to the cart, right? So because we don't have enough credits, it's prompting us to buy credits. Otherwise, we can add the currency version to the cart. And if we go and update the user profile, give ourselves some credits, and just give it a reload. You can see now that the user has a credit balance. They can choose which version they want, either currency or credit. And then if whichever version they've selected here, it's going to add that to the cart. So depending on how you want to configure things, you may want to have the credit only store selected. And that's going to actually disable the dual pricing option. Because essentially it's a credit only store. Products that are purchasable in credits will only be available in credits. Again, these listings have reverted to the credit values. So if you're enjoying this video and you're enjoying the content that we're providing here on YouTube and the plugins that we're putting out, just give us a quick like, subscribe and share and all that stuff, because it's going to help us grow this channel. We're at a very early stage at this point, so I'm just making this little call out here. I'm going to stick it in all the videos that you're probably going to see, just to keep reminding you. And also, if you've got a comment, leave a comment, and if you've got requests for videos, let us know as well, so that we can kind of just keep on top of stuff and just bring you stuff that you want to know. Anyway, I look forward to connecting. Any questions, let me know, and chat soon.